Well, if you're in the mood for some chin-dripping peaches, you're in luck.
'Tis the season, and joining us with some fun peach recipes is nutritionist Donna Weihofen. Hi, Donna.
Hi, Donna.
Oh, hello. I do have great peaches. And I want to start out by saying how you ripen peaches, because I buy peaches by the dozen. And when I bought these, they were hard as a rock. And so what am I going to do? You can't use them then. You have to let them sit at room temperature. Do not refrigerate them until they're soft enough and they are really soft and juicy. To hasten the ripening, you can put them in a brown bag, not a plastic bag, and close it for a day, and they should ripen in a day. And to even speed it up faster, throw in an apple or a banana, and that speeds it up too.
Really?
So, but you want your peaches ripe. And the first recipe I have is a peach salad, similar to the one I made last time with strawberries, but this also has fresh peaches in it. Fresh peaches and any kind of berries you'd like, and I have blueberries and strawberries, and I like to throw in nuts. And the dressing is what's really unique. It has this traditional olive oil and vinegar, but the sweetener is maple syrup. And the maple syrup is going to give it a special taste. And then pureed in the dressing is a fresh peach and some fresh mint. So that is all pureed in the dressing. So that's really going to enhance this peach dressing.
Oh, wow.
Boy, that's refreshing, that's for sure.
Yeah, and so this is my dressing. I'll drizzle on top. One of the things that's nice to add to this is cheese. But not everybody likes blue cheese or feta cheese, so I suggest that you pass that at the table so that you don't put cheese on and they say, oh, I don't like my salad.
True.
I
That's a
love
good
blue
thing.
cheese.
Yeah, I know I do too, but some people hate it. They just hate it.
All right, what's next?
Okay, to go with the salad, let's go to the muffins. These are bran muffins. This is my friend Mary's recipe for bran muffins. But I made them even better, I think, Mary, because I probably
Mary's not.
So I put in sour cream, and then I chopped up peaches in there and pecans. So peaches, pecans, and sour cream. The bran flakes are your just cereal that's soaked in buttermilk ahead of time. And this batter makes about more than a dozen. And I will guarantee that these are the moistest, best bran muffins you have ever had. So if you think bran muffins are dry, no.
No?
Think again.
Think again, because
Marriage/Donna's recipes prove otherwise.
So Mary and I together created this.
Okay.
And the last one is a bread pudding. And it's a bread pudding with peaches and raspberries. And so it's your traditional bread that you cut up and you soak it in eggs and milk. I put a touch of sweetener, a touch of brandy in there too. And you soak that, and then you put peaches and raspberries on top. And then you bake it in the oven, and in the end you've got this raspberry peach. Really, this is a super moist bread pudding. It's not a dry one. But the best part is the sauce. Oh my gosh.
Is there more brandy in there?
Well, maybe I should put a little Southern comfort in this. This is unbelievable great peach sauce. And so you put that on top. It's so yummy.
What's in it?
Well, the peach sauce is really kind of fun because you don't have to use all fresh lemons. It's nice if you have one or two, but I've experimented, and lemon juice is just fine. So it's lemon juice and sugar and eggs, and you stir that on the stove till it thickens. And instead of all sugar, I really do sometimes use some Splenda, so half Splenda, half sugar to cut down on the calories. And so you cook this on the stove, and then you put it in the refrigerator, and you make this ahead. So you've got salad, muffins, dessert, all made with peaches.
All made with peaches.
All made with peaches.
This is the time of year.
Oh, they are dripping good. Yes,
all right, the recipes all online at channel3000.com. Donna, thanks for coming out to the patio today.
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
All right.
Yep, bye.
Bye.